So hello mga kainday, kamusta kayo? So for today's video ay samahan nyo kami dahil meron kami activity today. So ang ganap namin for this weekend ay kami ay magpa-participate sa bubble run. So tatakbo kami for 5 kilometers. Say hi.
Hey.
First, okay. So yun lang yung ganap namin for today's video mga kainday. Exercise na rin at fun kasi bubble run. So sabihin maraming bubbles, ganun. So update ko kayo later kainday. Bye! So time check, 7:06 AM na mga kainday. At mukhang gloomy weather today. Oh my God, may run pa naman. Pero sige, carry lang. Sa traffic mga kainday, ito yung papunta na sa parking lot. So ibig sabihin, ang daming magpa-participate sa bubble run. At tingnan nyo yung ulap, napakaitim. Let's go, fun!
Hey.
Fun, bubble run! We have our numbers. So, ang dami ng tao mga kainday. Hi! Papunta na kami sa bubble run.
That must have been the one going the wrong way. Follow the yellow cones. You'll make it back home. Welcome to the bubble run. Once you cross that starting line, it has begun. Catch the bubble, catch the bubble, catch the bubble.
All right. Come on, we have to run. Hey.
Come on, catch up.
You've never been.